thing that I miss, it's an IKEA. We don't have that here in the Philippines. We're relying on these kind of stores, department stores. And IKEA is practically has everything that you want for your house and everything else that you don't need. You can get lost in IKEA and just try out beds, try out couches, and just explore the possibilities of what you can have in your house. That's something we don't have here in the Philippines. There's sometimes even signs where you can't even sit on the furniture. You can't even try it out. Please, no sitting. We need an IKEA. I mean, someone invest, bring it here in the Philippines, please, because that is something that everyone will love. So an hour later, I made it to work, and there's a lot of setup. This is the stage. Gatorade is gonna be launching their new drink, Quaker Good Start. So catch that later. See what's up. Hopefully we get free stuff. So we have kids right now in the center field, so a bit of a timeout trying to get rid of them. What do you think, Amy?
They enjoy baseball, they want to get a good glimpse of it, but not on the field, Mark.
Thank you to our sponsors, Mom and Dad, for bringing us here. 7-Eleven for our food. There we go, that was a nice hit.
Nice hit, and
it's not over.
It's out of here. It's out of here.
It's out of here.
It's out of here. Another home run.
It was a bounce out, so it wasn't a home run. It bounced on the floor, then out on the fence. So the umpire is gonna give him up to second base. Hey guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the RCBC Life and Style Expo. We're here to watch Raywin Asperas strut her stuff. I don't know. I'm here now with my co-host, Amy Asperas.
Hey guys.
And we're going to be commentating on the event. Left or right?
Left. Left. Left or right, Margo?
Left. So we're done with the RCBC It Girl. Raywin didn't make it to the top 12.
She made top 24 compared
she was in
all
the
other.
pageant, which was supposed to be not a pageant.
It's supposed to be a runway, but it ended up being a pageant.
I'm painting